Hello friends, today my topic is going to be about Digital Differential Analyzer. Digital Differential Analyzer is a line drawing algorithm, and as we all know what algorithm is a step-by-step method of doing any task. Now here our task is to draw a line using the mechanism of digital differential analyzer. Now, since we know the equation of the straight line is y equal to mx plus c, where x represents the value of x and y represents the value of or the equation of a line, m represents the slope and c represents the y-intercept. In common language we say that c is a constant defining how long our line is going to be. Now let's assume that our line has endpoints x1, y1 and other point as x2, y2. To calculate m, what we are going to do is to calculate this m, what we are going to do is we have to firstly calculate delta x and delta y. Now what delta x is equal to? Delta x is equal to the value of x at current subtracted by the value of x at previous. Same is the case here. The value of y currently and the value of y previously. Now after calculating the difference between the current value of x and the previous value of x and the current value of y and the previous value of y, we obtain delta x and delta y. Then for finding the slope, what we are supposed to do is we have to get delta y by delta x. Fine. This will give us the slope m. Now depending upon the values of m, we get, here's a correction, it's m. Now depending upon the values of m, we get, fine, three cases arise. Either m will be less than 1, and this case will be when delta y is lesser than delta x. Then only m is going to be less than 1. And in that case, when m is less than 1, this represents the current value of x. Fine. The current value of x will be equal to the previous value of x plus 1, and the current value of y will be equal to the previous value of y plus m. This m is same as what we obtained here. The second case is then when we have m greater than 1. In this case, our current value of y is equal to previous value of y plus 1, and the current value of x is equal to the reciprocal of the slope obtained here, reciprocal of the slope obtained to the previous value of x. Now when the slope equals to 1, this is the case where delta y will be equal to delta x. Delta y will be equal to delta x. And at that point, the current value of y will be equal to the previous value of y plus 1, and likewise we have to calculate the value of x as the current value of x is equal to the previous value of x plus 1. That's all for today. Thank you so much.